tree falls straight into the house. A critical miscalculation with costly results. Instead of a precise drop, there's damage and likely legal troubles. There's no room for guesswork in this business. The cutting angle, fall direction, and safety must be calculated to the millimeter. Anything less is a disaster waiting to happen. At first glance, it's a simple machine, but its precision in cutting wood is astonishing. It easily handles boards from 1 to 4 to 2 inches thick, leaving perfectly even planks. Simply guide the material through, and the machine does the rest. At heights, safety is paramount, and a mini saw is your best ally. Lightweight design, ergonomic grip, and a 16-inch blade ensure precise control over every cut. Paired with a safety harness and secure anchoring, the operator can finish the job without risking a fall. This hydraulic powerhouse with a high-speed conveyor belt makes log splitting fast and flawless. Its automatic feeding system and precise splitting mechanism deliver consistent performance, quickly turning logs into stacks of firewood. The Holtz Forma, equipped with a 36-inch bar and a 92cc engine, cuts through dense pine beams like butter. Its 3 to 8-inch pitch chain ensures clean, powerful cuts with minimal vibration, making every billet an example of perfection and precision. Working on a rotten tree is like navigating a minefield in slippers. One wrong step, and you'll fall faster than the branch you just cut. Safety harnesses, ropes, careful calculations, and precise movements are vital. A skilled professional strategizes every cut, ensuring the decaying giant lands exactly where it should.
Okay. Well, kind of like that feature of things.
Made from steel scraps and a car spring, this manual log splitter is a tribute to ingenuity. Its hardened steel blade and spring mechanism make splitting wood a breeze. Place the log, pull the lever, and enjoy quick, clean cuts, without the strain of traditional axe work. The Green Tech transforms trees into mulch right at the site, seamlessly loading it into containers. Grapple claws cut the trunks, sharp blades shred them into fine particles, and a conveyor transfers the material into a hopper, leaving the area clean and the process highly efficient. The dual-action splitter operates like a double-edged saw, but uses wedges instead of teeth. Capable of handling logs up to 28 inches in diameter, it processes wood at double the speed of standard splitters. Its clever design feels almost intelligent, as though it might stack the firewood for you. A skidding trailer with a manipulator turns log handling into an art. Steel arms grip logs securely, while a 20-foot telescopic boom and smooth hydraulic controls stack them with precision. In just a few movements, the forest floor is cleared and ready for transport. This DIY log splitter is a workhorse, as reliable as a tank, with components proven to endure the test of time. A flywheel-powered gearbox and sturdy steel wedge crush logs effortlessly, splitting them like brittle shells. A John Deere in the mud is like a wild boar in a swamp, unstoppable, relentless, full of power. With logs loaded and wheels sinking into the muck, its hydraulics and articulated frame push forward like a tank. Where others get stuck, it thrives, proving that real logging machines fear neither mud, weight, nor the harshest terrain. Stumps vanish under the force of a dual rotor shredder. Sharp gripping teeth tear wood into small fragments in seconds. Its power, easy loading, and versatility with various wood waste make this machine a formidable tool against forestry debris. The Vodin log splitter turns weekends into a firewood frenzy, handling 18 cubic meters in just 2 days. With the blade at work and the motor roaring, it's all about stacking wood faster than you can keep up. Cutting down a giant tree near your house without help? Now, instead of DIY pride, you're left with a giant hole in your roof. When a tree that size falls, physics doesn't leave room for luck.
Oh shit.
This is the tank of logging machines. With a 160 horsepower engine and reinforced tracks, it hauls tons of timber without flinching. Mud and rough terrain are just part of its playground. The Cordo branch shredder is a compact powerhouse, transforming garden waste into firewood kindling in minutes. Small yet robust, it handles branches of all sizes, creating perfect fire-starting materials for your fireplace. Palm tree toppling onto a church. Textbook, what went wrong? A misjudged angle and ignoring wind resistance from the crown resulted in disaster. A damaged facade and a construction crew's worst nightmare. Precision and experience are essential in this field. Otherwise, the tree becomes a battering ram and the building its victim.
No kidding. Here it comes.
The Cancela mulcher, paired with a Belarus tractor, grinds trees and shrubs into fine chips right where they stand. With a 6-foot cutting width, rotating hardened hammers, and hydraulic height adjustment, it transforms dense overgrowth into a level field in just a few passes. This homemade log lifter for the county line splitter doubles as a workstation. The hydraulic plunger lifts heavy logs, while a sturdy table provides stability during operation. Engine protection features extend equipment life, making it a practical, time-saving addition for firewood preparation. An advanced mechanical log splitter with a reinforced drive and kinetic flywheel takes on the heavy work, leaving the operator to manage the process. With up to 15 tons of splitting force, it handles tough woods with ease. Could interchangeable attachments for splitting into 2 or 4 parts make it even more efficient? When a seasoned pro steps in, even a crew of workers pauses to watch. One clean cut, and the massive tree falls as if guided by an invisible hand. No panic, no guesswork, just careful calculation, powerful tools, and absolute mastery. This firewood splitter works like a tireless conveyor machine. Logs barely keep up with its rhythm as the wedge slices through with flawless precision, producing a winter's worth of fuel in record time. Picture a machine driven by a vintage 70cc MIA engine from 1962, a circular saw that's like the classic car of logging. It slices through wood effortlessly, proving that old-school engineering still packs a punch. A DIY log splitter proves you don't need a big budget for high performance. Built from a winch, bolts, and a bit of creativity, this compact and economical machine handles firewood splitting efficiently, right in your backyard. A hydraulic log splitter makes wood splitting as simple as pulling a lever. With minimal effort and maximum results, you'll find yourself standing beside a mountain of firewood, feeling like a champion lumberjack.